Ever marveled at the buzzing mini drones zooming around and wondered if you could build one yourself? Mini drones have become a fascination for many with their impressive maneuverability and myriad uses. From aerial photography to racing, they've opened up a whole new world of possibilities, and the interest in DIY drone projects has been skyrocketing. By building your own mini drone, you get to customize it to your liking and experience the joy of creating something with your own hands. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey to build your own mini drone? Before we dive into the building process, you need to gather your toolkit. The first thing you'll need is a frame. This is the skeleton of your mini drone, providing structure and support. Next come the propellers. They are the wings of your drone, creating lift and enabling flight. Your mini drone will also need a flight controller. Think of this as the brain. It interprets signals from the transmitter and translates them into motor commands. Speaking of motors, you'll need 4 of them. These are the muscles of your drone, directly powering the propellers. Of course, none of this would work without a battery. This is the heart of your drone, supplying the power needed for flight. Finally, you'll need a transmitter and receiver. They form the communication link between you and your drone, allowing you to control its movements. With these components at hand, you are all set to start the assembly process. Now that you have all your components, it's time to assemble your mini drone. Our first step is to attach the motors. Position them on the frame, ensuring they're securely mounted. Remember, the motors are the heart of your drone. They provide the thrust that our mini drone needs to take off and navigate through the air, so it's crucial to get this right. Next is the flight controller, the brain of our drone. It processes inputs from the transmitter and adjusts the